Today is the second day of learning journey, and today I am learned so many new words, pronunciation, and flow of structures and grammar mistakes and words pair and how to speak continuously without stopping through this story. If you learn English nowadays, this video is for you. I am not teacher. I am a learner just like you. Listen this story and improve your English, improve your words, improve your pronunciation. So let's start. Don't waste our time because I'm everything I clear first video. So let's start. The story name is I will do it. I will do it. I think everyone know this meaning of I will do it. And I will do it story is describe Narayan Murthy story. Is a famous IITian person. So let's start. He was a sword. Narayan Murthy. He was a sword. He was a sharp. He was a sword. He was a sword. He was a sharp. He was the brightest boy in the class. He was the brightest boy in his class. Brightest means super intelligent student in a class. His senior. He senior to ask his senior to ask him to solve their difficulty in science. Their difficulty, difficulty in science. He could have gone unnoticed. He could have gone unnoticed in a crowd. For example, multiple people, if you ask questions at the at time, you unnotice any questions and you forget it. The same condition, he could have gone unnoticed in a crowd, but but when you ask him a question related to physics and maths, once you ask related to physics and maths, there was a spark in eyes. There was a spark in eyes. Spark means fire. Spark in his eyes. Spark in his eyes. He could he could grasp he could grasp theories of science faster than the speed of light. Grasp means, for example, he grabs my hand. He grabs my hand. He grabs my hand. Strong, strong. He grabs my hand. Grabs my hand. And let's continue. Uh, Faster than speed of light. He come from poor but educated family. Narayan Murthy uh, is a come from poor family, but his family are educated. His father was high school. His father was a high school teacher and avid reader of English literature, and avid reader of English literature. He like all the boy in class. He like all the boy in his class. We were he like all the boys in his class was trying to get admission into some engineering college. He, he all boys in class, he trying to get admission engineering college, and the Narayan Murthy was also try to admission get admission in engineering college, and the brighter ones wanted to study in the Indian Institute of Technology of the IIT. Narayan Murthy wanted to want to study in the Indian Institute of Technology of the IIT. The IIT. There was an entrance test of IIT. This boy along Narayan Murthy. This boy along with his friend applied to appear for the test. Apply to appear for the test. Thank you so much. If you listen this story, you can learn so many words. For example, crowd, unnoticed, grabs, the brightest, bright, spark. There are multiple words you learn, and thank you so much. If you learn continuously through this story learning English, you can subscribe me because I am also learner. I am not teacher, so you can subscribe me. Thank you so much for this learning journey.